that came off of the ramp. So when I built this originally, I used particle board. Lesson number one, up in the Pacific Northwest area, don't use particle board for a ramp. This stuff is rotting and it's almost done. So what I'm going to do is I'll break it up into smaller pieces and I'll add it to my compost pile. So the new board that's going on here is 5/8 inch plywood, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to staple on some of that heavy duty weed fabric or landscape fabric on top of the wood after I paint it, to make sure it has that extra layer of water protection, because that stuff is pretty thick. And then what I'll do is I'll recover it with that what do you call it there, that grass, that fake grass stuff. I'll show you. This is the stuff that I have left up here on the front of my deck. There's the project stuff. This stuff here, and this is the same width as what I was using before. So I will take this piece and I will take it down there and put it back on the ramp so that my dog has some good traction. And then I'll add step lines. I got it made out of 1x1, so that when they're screwed on there, they hold down the grass, they hold down everything to the ramp, and it's a safety step so that you don't slip in the snow or when it gets really wet. So this is the first part of the plan, was pulling off all of that junk. I'm sorry I forgot to get the camera going when I was doing that, but it was pretty messy. So here we go. More in a bit.